to ask the headmistress of KUGISS, Kumasi girls. Mistress, it seems that your students are fond of you. Are you confident you are going to win the Super Zonal?
We've won already. With God on our side, we are going to win. We've won.
Wow. Are you not afraid of the other schools who are competing?
We've won.
Why are you so confident of winning this?
We are winning. We are taking all the first in the race. So we've won.
Okay, so give what are you telling the other schools who will be competing in the Super Zonals? What are the courses? What are you telling them?
They should just go and sleep because KUGISS. They should just go and sleep.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.